age of steam and steel, when shadows dance with dread, there came a beast of fire and smoke, its presence filled with dread. With eyes as pale as winter's frost, it thundered through the night. A nightmare born of iron, with power none could fight. Oh, beware the Iron Terror, a specter in the gloom, with eyes that pierce the darkness, casting doom upon its tomb. Through valleys deep and forests dark, its sounds pierce the night. The monstrous steam engine, with fear its only crown. Through moonlit fields and mystic lands, it charged with frantic pace, leaving trails of broken dreams in its relentless chase. The villagers would huddle close as it passed in eerie light, a demon from another world, a harbinger of fright. Oh, beware the Iron Terror's presence chills the bone, a specter of the countryside, its legend widely known. With steam and smoke it billows, a vision from the past. The monstrous steam engine, with fear its only crown. Legend spoke of engineers who forged this metal beast. Now it roams the countryside, a creature of the night. Why does it look like that one inspector asked? Like what? An engineer answered, confused, to hell and back. Well, then his large and looming eyes, with the sharpest teeth I ever saw. It's a scary looking steam engine, a nightmare with some design flaws. Oh, beware the Iron Terror's presence chills the bone, a specter of the countryside, its legend widely known. With steam and smoke it billows, a vision from the past. The monstrous steam engine, with fear its only crown. Listen to me, baby, about that steam engine of old. It's time to end this tale, it is too scary to be told.